Joining us now, Chief Meteorologist Dan Cianca. A lot of folks have a lot of plans this weekend. There's a lot to do this weekend, too. Jeez.
Busy. We got sports. We got good old days. We got, is there some racing going on?
Some ribs, too.
Ribs.
San Juan Bautista.
San Juan Bautista. All sorts of things. There's Cinco de Mayo this weekend. Is it this weekend? Is that tomorrow?
It is. Tomorrow.
Tomorrow's so Friday. Friday's the weekend, right?
And then Revenge of the 6th. That's coming up soon.
That's true. What is that?
That's the playoff of May the 4th be with you anyway. Yeah.
Oh, got you. I don't. Anyway, so this weekend, you're wondering about that forecast. We're going to get to that. Here's a live look from Domenico's on the wharf tonight. Right now, pretty calm conditions. Not seeing any rain across the region at the moment. That has all really moved out of the coverage area. We do have some low clouds out there, though, and it's possible they may be making a little bit of drizzle in some areas. I have yet to see any reports, but it is possible. And speaking of precipitation, let's do a quick recap of how much we've seen since Monday. Bonnie Doon and Big Sur, how about 2.5 inches of rain? Boulder Creek, 2.25. Davenport, Ben Lomond, and Felton, all just shy of 2 inches of rain. Some decent totals, especially up in, well, western Santa Cruz County and also, you know, on the Big Sur coast where we saw some of the best rainfall with this system. How about our more populated areas? We'll take you to Santa Cruz and Watsonville, over an inch of rain. Typically, these locations see less than an inch of rain throughout the entire month of May, so we have already beat our May totals. At the beginning of the show, I showed you our April rainfall and how it was below normal. I mean, we could just throw that graphic up tonight for May and just say, we're good. We don't even need to talk about it in a month as we're looking at ahead of normal schedule there for us. Monterey, Hollister, about 3/4 of an inch. Soledad, Salinas, about 1/4 of an inch. So some decent precipitation. Had some cool clouds over Salinas today. It looked a little turbulent earlier. Maybe you saw something like that in the sky before the sun popped out. Temperatures were a touch warmer today. Our hot spot was Bradley at 65. Salinas, Wattsville, Santa Cruz were in the 60s. Hollister, Monterey were in the 50s. And out there tonight, we do have a patchwork of low clouds. It's keeping temps up a little bit, low 50s. Marina, I don't think that's temperature sensors right. There's no way it's 43 already in Marina. I mean, it's probably in the 48-degree range, but it's been running low all day for some reason. Anyway, just so you know. We've got otherwise just some 50s out there in some of our valleys. It's a little cooler up in the mountains at the moment. Our storm tracker is showing most of the precipitation has left the building, so looking dry right now. There's a little something showing up there. That's not really precipitation, just some clouds probably showing up in some radar holes. But so we look to our south, you can see an area of low pressure here. And we'll zoom this out here for you in a moment just to show you that the low is kind of moving on and leaving our area. But we're still in an overall trough of low pressure here across the west coast. And here's a better way to visualize that. And within it, there are a couple more little short waves that are going to be passing through. And by short waves, I mean disturbances or smaller little things that will help generate a few more showers. One very weak one comes through tomorrow and another one comes through on Saturday. So that'll probably keep the shower machine going. And then it looks like in that Monday time frame, we get another guy coming through here. And then maybe like around Tuesday or Wednesday, we get another gal coming through here. So right in this area. So it's going to stay unsettled for the next few days. And then the ridge of high pressure builds back in and warms us back up. But we're still looking at like 6 more days at least to below normal temperature. So overnight tonight into tomorrow morning, low clouds. Can't rule out a little bit of a sprinkly drizzle by the time we wake up tomorrow morning. And then heading into the day tomorrow, we'll have just a couple sprinkles passing by and then a shower or two over the inland hills. We're going to call it partly cloudy on the coast tomorrow, partly cloudy inland with a chance of an isolated shower. If you do get any rain, it's not going to last long and it should be fairly light. And tomorrow evening, we'll probably see a little more drizzle along the coast with that next disturbance coming through. This one actually has a weak cold front with it, and that's going to come through early on Saturday morning and will likely bring a few light showers along with it as it passes through the area, eventually moving farther inland and kind of dissipating. But that, again, is going to keep a chance of isolated showers in the forecast both tomorrow and on Saturday. Sunday looks dry if you're making outdoor plans. Luckily not widespread rain. It's not going to ruin anyone's party. And it looks like most of the precip coming Saturday will be early in the morning hours. So shouldn't be a major issue for most folks. Precipitation with the next 48 hours, maybe 1/4 of an inch, maybe a little bit more in the Santa Cruz Mountains. That's about it. Let's look at your forecast temperatures tomorrow. We're going to keep you in the low 60s in Santa Cruz, Capitola, 50s in the Santa Cruz Mountain Valleys, low 50s up in the hills tomorrow. On the east shore of the bay, expecting highs mostly in the upper 50s to low 60s. 63 in Salinas tomorrow, low 60s in Hollister and Gilroy. Over to the Monterey Peninsula, we are expecting highs in the upper 50s for the most part. So still a little cool for this time of year. And then down south, we're going to see high temperatures in the mid 60s up and down the Salinas Valley. Not too bad. The city of King, Greenfield, Soledad, right around 65 tomorrow. Let's get you that 7-day forecast now. Through the weekend, just a little cool for this time of year. A couple of isolated showers Friday and Saturday. We're watching that Monday, Tuesday time frame. Then it looks like we're going to see temperatures head back up a little bit by the end of the week. And then inland areas, we'll see a little more dramatic temperature change, but ultimately cool temps for the next 6 days or so as highs remain below normal. Victor.
Thank you so much, Dan.